So, hey guys, I want to show you a quick little solution to a problem I had earlier. So earlier when I got home, it said I had low tire pressure and it just said it right here. It was weird though because it just came out of nowhere, and this is like a brand new car, almost 6,000 miles. It's not that new, so I referred to the owner's manual before I really did anything. I just want to show you a quick little fix that I found that you might have if you have the same issue. Pretty much you just go to your settings and you go to vehicle and you go to TPMS calibration and you calibrate your car or your tires, and your low tire pressure thing will go away. And I checked all my tires after and they were fine. It was just a miscalibration. So refer to your owner's manual for these problems, but if that helped anybody. Oh, and by the way, this is a 2019 Honda Civic Sport Coupe, if that helps anybody.